my gosh. Hey guys, welcome to the new camera, by the way. The lighting was terrible, so I had to use this. I'm thinking of doing a weekend vlog, getting used to this camera. So it is currently, what time is it? 8:55 Friday night. I'm training tomorrow morning and then I have puppy yoga. And then we have our last 6-week challenge workout at Bitstop at the beach. So I might take you along for the weekend. Not much going on, but I just wanted to test out the camera, test out how it goes. So I'm thinking of wearing this one more rep green bra, shorty black, just plain black shorts. Hey guys, I just had a shower and now I am off to bed. It is 9:24 to be exact, and we have a 7 AM class tomorrow, so I'll be up at about 6:30. So see you then. Morning. This is my fit. Obviously I showed you last night, and then I've just paired it with my New Balance. And yeah, that's the fit. Good morning, guys. Say hi, ladies. I can't see. They can see you because. So we are off. I've got my. Hang on. Let me put my seatbelt on. Oh, got my pre-workout that I haven't shaken yet because Mum was sleeping. It's not a bad session this morning, but we do have 3 minutes on the ski and bike each, so we'll see, but no running at least, which is pretty good considering we did deadlifts yesterday. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, it's going. 10 out of 10.
Remember the days we were young,
I actually like that. Very
wild
banana,
and free,
but
basic getting sprung.
that's like
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
we're back home. We're just gonna making some breakfast. Just gonna have some scrambled eggs, some bacon, all the fun stuff.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
Look at Ellie.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me
I'm
back.
excited for puppy yoga. I'm gonna change my outfit. I did go to LSKD yesterday and spend a lot of money. Show you what I am gonna wear, and this is what I bought yesterday. I have a set. This orange, this yellow bra, just super cute, and then the yellow pants to go with it. But this today I'm gonna wear the yellow pants with the same bra, but I got it in this color, and it's so pretty. So I'm gonna put that on, and I think that'll be super cute. And then obviously it's just yoga, so you don't need shoes, so I'm just gonna wear my slides. This is the final fit. Super cute back. I love a little bit of color. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, not too much. I think I've got everything. I'm gonna pack my water bottle bag, just my keys, a towel in case we need one, my sunnies that I will need right now. Might as well go and get driving. I'd rather be there early than later, and I just don't know about the parking situation, so we'll go suss that out and head off. I just found some secure parking. I put it in my phone to see how to walk there. Oh my gosh, that was so cute. I'm so glad I did that. See if I can park at O'Bagel. I'm going to see if there's parking there. If not, we're gonna drive. It's a 15-minute drive, which is not even that far. See if there's parking. If not, we'll go home, which is fine. But yeah, that was so cute. I'm so glad I did it. That was an absolute nightmare. And I could not find a park. Why is the shop so busy? Anyways, I'm going to go get some lunch now. So, I bought myself a little sweet treat. Oh. Yum. It was called like a white lotus donut. So Biscoff. It was Biscoff filled. Hester. Mmm. That was so good. Anyways, I'm gonna head home now to be up tomorrow morning at like 3:45. That's alright. I'll be good. I'll just get everything prepared so I literally have to get up and go. No. Anyways, I might see you tonight when I'm packing. Good morning, guys. It is currently 4:13 and I'm just about to head to where I'm going. Because there's a couple of us going to this girl's house to then drive from there to the beach. So that's where I'm driving to. And yeah, I guess I'll see you later. Hey guys, welcome to Katie's YouTube channel. And let's have a look what we're doing here today. Wow, I'm so tired. It was so good. It was so nice to be part of the Fit Stop Fam Bam and seeing everyone there. Everyone did so good. I'm so proud of each and every one of them. Happy with the morning turnout. The boys should be as well. But I'm gonna go have a shower. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Obviously with race weekends, I will be vlogging them. So I really want to get into it, so if you have any feedback, please let me know. But thank you so much for watching if you've watched all the way down to the end. Like I said, if you have any recommendations or anything you want to see, please let me know. Obviously, I will be doing more race vlogs, but I just wanted to test out the camera this weekend because I was doing a little bit of some fun stuff to vlog. The perfect weekend to do it. So I'm going to have a shower, I'm going to rot in bed, do some editing, And yeah, have a lovely week, guys, or whenever you're watching this. And thank you so much for watching.